Welcome to our channel. There are places on this earth where silence speaks louder than words, where faith becomes the living vibration, where the impossible starts to unfold. This is the energy of the wish fulfilling temple. Every step through the sacred temple feels like walking through the light. Your doubts begin to align and your thoughts begin to melt in the stillness. Your spirit begins to remember its strength. The sounds of the bells clears the mind and each chime removes the unseen fears. Each vibration calls your higher self and heart becomes open and fearless, ready to receive the divine guidance. The light you lamp is not a ritual, it's a signal to the universe. Faith is not about waiting for miracles, faith is the energy which creates them. When your mind is steady and your heart is clear, your intentions rise like temple smoke, and the universe listens with silence. Every offering is a symbol of surrender. You release control and gain clarity. You let go of fear and receive peace. You let go of limits and gain power. This is the rhythm of true devotion. The temple does not change your fate, it changes your frequency. When your energy rises, life begins to align with grace. What you desire begins to flow. The deity within the sanctum reflects the deity within you. It is not about praying to stone, it is about awakening power in soul. Your spirit mirrors what you worship. Every mantra recited with truth shifts your entire vibration. Words become waves of light and thoughts become divine magnet, attracting peace, purpose and prosperity. The temple energy reminds you that miracles are not sudden. They are natural for a calm mind. They appear when faith replaces doubt and love replaces fear. As you walk through the temple path, each step cleanses the old energy. Each breath renews inner power. You are not seeking blessings, you are activating your own light. The universe responds to stillness. It hears your calm more than your cry. When you are centered, life listens. When you are peaceful, doors open and abundance comes quietly. Every light you lamp burns a piece of darkness away. Every chant you whisper calls the prosperity closer. Every breath inside faith builds miracles. The temple teaches patience. You wait not in worry but in wisdom. You learn to trust divine timing. You stop chasing and start attracting. You become magnetic to miracles. When you leave the temple gates, you do not leave the divine. You carry the vibration within. You walk like a living temple, shining with unshaken faith. The wish fulfilling energy exists in your belief. When you believe fully, the universe mirrors that truth and your wish becomes real. Faith is frequency, not emotional. When you stay grateful, it amplifies. When you stay calm, it stabilizes. When you stay focused, it manifests. The temple reminds you of this power. Light the lamp of your mind daily. Keep the altar of thought pure. Offer gratitude for what is present and clarity for what is coming. This is how inner temples shine. Every sacred space on earth is a reflection of the divine within. You are both the seeker and the shrine, both the wish and the fulfiller, both the prayer and the answer. Temple energy awakens wisdom to know what to ask, faith to wait without fear, and the strength to ask with purpose. This is the trinity of manifestation. Silence inside a temple is not emptiness but awareness. Same silence within you is the key to creation. Listen, and the divine will speak. You are surrounded by grace when your mind is open. You are guided by light when your mind is clear. You are fulfilled when you believe. The universe never denies belief, it reflects your vibration exactly. Raise your thoughts and life rises. Purify intent and results flow. Faith is the seed, action is the soil. A wish fulfilling temple is sacred because it awakens remembrance of your inner connection to divinity. Your own mind holds the same power. You are your own sacred space. In stillness, you meet yourself. You remember that calm is power. The temple teaches you what you seek outside begins inside. When your thoughts are calm, opportunities flow towards you. When your heart is grateful, blessings multiply. Your worries dissolve and your inner world realigns with clarity and strength. This is not a sacred space, it's a vibration, a frequency of peace. So close your eyes and be still. Feel the temple within you glowing. Your breath is the mantra, your heart is the shine, and your faith is the light that fulfills every wish. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.